Up for auction, we have a Harley Davidson 2021 Street Glide Special. Real nice condition, has 42,428 miles. The only real flaw that I see on this bike is this left cover on the saddlebag has a crack, and I'll show that in some pictures. So look at the pictures that will be posted online. This bike is a 2021, and according to the Harley Davidson dealer in Upper Sandusky, Ohio, this bike had a replacement engine put on it at 31,000 miles. Harley Davidson warranted a brand new engine. Again, they put it in at 31,000, so that it has about 11,000 miles on this engine. Good running bike, has a great look to it.